Hello and welcome to another video. Today gonna be a little bit different video. We're gonna be taking a look on my new audio solution, the Røde Wireless Go. And here is the box. I would lie if I said I didn't already open the box. I was quite excited yesterday when I got the packet. But well, here, let's see what's got in the box. Let's see what it says here. We will get a receiver and transmitter, 2 windshield for the microphone, 2 USB-C cables, a SC cable, and a pocket. Let's see. Yeah, see, I already opened it. I was fast too. Let's see. What do we have here? We have here receiver and transmitter. We're gonna take a look at them after. See. What do we have here? We have one of the USB-C cables for charging and the other USB-C cable. And then we have the SC cable and the 2 windshields for the microphone. And then I bought this cable, SC7, so you can use this with your iPhone, else you can't use it if you don't have this cable. And why did I choose this solution? Well, because it only cost like $65. It was actually really cheap, really good equipment for the price. I was using a Lightning Røde microphone before, but it was keep dying all the time. So then I had to make videos without a microphone for a long time because of really long RMA process. But this is over now. This is gonna be my new equipment. So it's gonna be really nice. Let's see if it works. The battery on. And it is, let's see. See if it works. Microphone is right here. Let's see. Yeah, it works quite fine. It's gonna be so nice. I can't wait to use this in my future videos. So this is gonna be the last video, hopefully, with the microphone of the iPhone. But yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. It means really a lot. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.